What's up, guys? Today we are playing Tasty Blue. So you see that. Okay. So first she goes to the pet store. She sees his pet. She takes him. He drops it in his bowl and she gives him food. And he's nervous. So we are going to be Tasty Blue. So now he can find the food and eat them all and become a big giant fish. Oh, don't forget the food. You need food. Fish food. So when you eat the food, you turn bigger. So, not the phone. This settings don't matter. So you gotta eat all this fish food and grow big, really big as a white whale. You gotta eat all this food. Eat it all. Can you drop in the sink? Drop in the sink. I want to see if you can. Oh, we're supposed to drop in the sink. Okay. Oh no, we're in the sink. Oh, we're gonna drown and die. Oh God. I wonder what this looks like in real life. Oh God. Shrimp. Gonna eat you all. Yummy in my tummy. Eat all the shrimp. Die, you shrimp. Gonna eat you all. Yes, I can eat you now. Yum. Come here, you shrimpies. You come in my belly, you shrimpies. Oh, it's getting on like Solar Ariel, because when you boost, you don't turn smaller. Eat all these shrimps. Damn, how many shrimps are here? Oh yeah, eat these big fishes. Oh my God, I am so big, boy. I am bigger than them. My God. I can't eat this. Oh my God, I'm so ginormous. Oh, I'm trying to freaking. Okay, comments. I finally got a comment. Oh, these guys are too small and too big for me. Ooh, eat all the fishes. Ooh, yeah, I can eat the big ones. What's up, guys? You guys gonna get eaten. Oh my God, you guys get eaten. Ooh, I can eat birds now. Dun. Chomp you all. Chomp all you guys up. Eat all of you. Okay, eat the birds. Well, guys, that's it for this video. Goodbye.